Our journey through the brain's wonders begins today. We're exploring mind-boggling facts about this incredible organ. Buckle up and let's dive in. The human brain weighs 3 pounds and contains 86 billion neurons. It generates 20 watts of power and uses 20% of the body's energy. Neurons transmit info at speeds up to 120 mph, faster than a Formula One car. Your brain can process an image in just 13 milliseconds. Laughing triggers brainwaves associated with creativity. Chronic stress can change the brain's structure and function. Dreams mainly occur during REM sleep. The brain processes pain faster than touch signals. After broadening our understanding about the rapid pace at which the brain interprets, we are now ready to dive into another intriguing feature of our brain. In spite of accounting for a mere 2% of our body's overall weight, the brain exhibits a voracious hunger for power, guzzling down an astonishing 20% of the body's comprehensive energy. Having just delved into the brain's impressive energy consumption, let's now shift our focus to another vital aspect of brain health: hydration. Our brain, remarkably, is made up of about 75% water. This high water content plays a pivotal role in how our brain functions. It aids in delivering essential nutrients to the brain, removing waste, and facilitating electrical energy, which is necessary for all brain functions, including thought and memory processes. But what happens when we don't hydrate enough? Dehydration can lead to a plethora of issues such as headaches, poor concentration, and even mood swings. In more severe cases, it can cause delirium. A well-hydrated brain is a well-functioning brain, so remember to drink enough water each day. As we close this scene, let's reiterate our key takeaway. The brain is about 75% water, which is why hydration is so important. In our next scene, we will explore the brain's incredible capacity to store information. From the vital role of water, let's now shift to another intriguing detail about our brain. Have you ever heard that our brain is the organ with the highest fat content in the body? Indeed, it's a fact. Our brain consists of roughly 60% fat. This abundant fat content is significant for the brain's overall performance. Fats, especially the beneficial ones, serve as an energy source, assist in the uptake of certain vitamins and minerals, and are needed for the construction of the brain's cellular structure. They also contribute significantly to cognitive functions such as memory, emotions, and neurotransmission. Essential fats like omega-3 fatty acids that our bodies are incapable of producing are crucial for brain health and can be located in food sources such as fish, walnuts, and flax seeds. As we conclude this segment, bear in mind that our brain is the organ with the highest fat content in the body, composed of roughly 60% fat. Hence, a diet that is high in healthy fats is advantageous for brain. Coming up next, we'll uncover the brain's impressive ability to store data. Transitioning from the topic of fats and their importance in brain health, we now move to another equally crucial aspect of our brain: the blood supply it receives. Despite only representing about 2% of our body's weight, the brain receives a whopping 20% of the body's blood supply. This is due to the brain's high energy demands, necessitating a consistent supply of oxygen and nutrients provided by the blood. If there is any reduction or interruption in this blood supply, it could result in severe complications, such as a stroke. Therefore, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system, not just for your heart, but for brain health as well. As we wrap up this scene, just keep in mind that the brain, for all its relative smallness, receives a significant chunk of the body's total blood supply. In our upcoming scene, we delve into the brain's remarkable capacity to store an immense amount of information. Moving away from our discussion on the brain's blood supply, we're now turning our focus to a fundamental constituent carried by the blood to our brain: oxygen. Despite accounting for just 2% of our body's total weight, the brain astonishingly uses up 20% of the body's oxygen supply. This significant oxygen demand can be attributed to the brain's high energy consumption. Oxygen is vitally used for energy generation in the brain cells, which consequently powers everything from our cognitive processes to the of movements. Hypoxia, a condition that can cause serious damage to brain function, can occur if the brain's oxygen supply diminishes. The implications could be as severe as permanent brain damage. As we conclude this segment, it's important to remember that the brain, with its insatiable craving for oxygen, stands as a potent emblem of the intricate and energy-consuming procedures that support our every thought and action. Your brain can hold 2.5 petabytes of info, equal to 3 million hours of TV. Listening to music releases dopamine associated with pleasure. The brain's gray matter is gray in preserved tissue. Brain activity can be detected 8 weeks into pregnancy. Humans have the largest brain-to-body ratio among animals. Reading aloud enhances comprehension and memory. Brain plasticity allows learning and recovery after injury. Brain cells communicate through electrical and chemical signals. Déjà vu occurs due to complex memory processes. The brain can create new neural pathways, enhancing learning. Multitasking is less efficient than focusing on one task. Brain freeze happens due to rapid cooling and warming of blood vessels in the brain. The brain is 75% water, and staying hydrated is crucial for optimal function. Brain cells can continue to grow throughout life, especially in the hippocampus, important for memory. The brain generates up to 70,000 thoughts per day, showcasing its incredible processing power. The concept of left-brained, analytical, and right-brained, creative people is a myth. Both hemispheres work together. Your brain can process pain signals faster than touch signals, leading to instant pain sensations. The brain's reward system, involving dopamine, plays a key role in motivation, pleasure, and addiction. Brain cells can transmit information at speeds of up to 120 meters per second, ensuring rapid communication. The brain's electrical activity forms patterns called brainwaves, measured using EEG, revealing its intricate workings. Certain foods like blueberries and fatty fish support cognitive function and protect against age-related brain decline. And there you have it, incredible brain facts. If you enjoyed this journey through the brain's wonders, share and subscribe for more.